Hi, I'm Kristin with Better Life Technology. I'm the National Account Manager for G-Floor Graphic, which is durable, designable vinyl flooring manufactured right here in the US. I have been with Better Life Technology for 11 years now. I have been fortunate to hold several positions within the company, from customer service to project manager, graphics coordinator, which led me into my journey for G-Floor Graphics, and now the National Account Manager. When I'm not in the office, I'm typically volunteering for a school event or watching my son participate in a seasonal sport. We also love spending time as a family, going to local or even national sporting events. Go Chiefs! G-Floor Graphic and Better Life Technology have allowed me to explore many aspects of the manufacturing business as well as the print media side to really learn how our products can connect with our customers. Connecting with the customers and learning about their business is really the passion and motivation behind my work. I really love learning how G-Floor Graphic can be a part of their business and what projects they have coming up that we can be a part of. We manufacture the most durable vinyl flooring in the industry. We actually set the industry standard for clear vinyl flooring, and we proudly manufacture right here in Kansas. We have a variety of products to fit any industry or application. G-Floor Graphic will protect your image against heavy foot traffic. It's used at trade shows, daycares, it's used in a variety of events or stages, and will hold the test of time. Call or email anytime. I would love to connect with you to find out how G-Floor and your business can work together.